The following steps are required to install the Jeene seal. This could be for the FW series or the W series. Today we will be working with the FW Jeene profile. First thing you want to do is get your piece off the pallet, let the seal relax. You're going to cut the seal to length using a non-serrated saw blade, lubricating with a solvent. Notch out a V on the center rib, both ends of the seal. Using a Dremel tool with a barrel sander, grind each end to a smooth finish. Cut the end caps to the proper size and lightly grind one side only. Using super glue supplied, glue end caps to the seal at each end. Cut an air valve to 1.5 inch piece, lightly grind one end, and lightly grind the top or the end of the seal depending on where you want to place the air valve. Using a piece of tie wire, stick the tie wire through the air valve and glue the air valve over the 1/8 inch hole. Inflate the seal and check for leaks. Clean the seal according to the installation procedure and install with an epoxy. For more information, contact Bowman Acme.